Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I've got another makeup tutorial for you, so let's get started. And as usual we're starting off with an eye primer. And then for eyeshadows I'm going to use the Prick Palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Yay, it did not break despite me opening it like that. Anyway, because I haven't used it in ages and it actually has really nice autumn shades. Now I'm starting off with a peachy shade in the crease, just to bold set the eyeshadow base. There was still dark color in this, oh damn it. Anyway, we're just gonna ignore that and hope it doesn't show in the final look. Anyway, but this is going to make blending easier later on as well. Then next up we're using a sort of darker salmon shade. I find it really difficult to describe this color, okay? Camera, focus. Anyway, I'm blending it from the outer side of the eye to the inner side. And I'm blending it deeper into the crease than I do on the eyelid. With a sort of more stiff blending brush. And just keep blending. And right now we've moved on to the darker shade, which is actually the first shade in the palette. That's not actually as dark as I anticipated it to be. But we're just gonna build it up anyway, with a small blending brush and really just focusing on that outer C over here. In the outer corner. Then some shimmer underneath the brow bone. Or on the brow bone actually. And then back to Big Fluff Head Blender and do some more blending. Most of this look is blending. Now we're applying a soft pink shimmery shade on the lid. I'm purposely using a very fluffy brush, by the way, because this is Jeffree Star Cosmetics products, and as usually if you use a flat stiff brush then it just turns into a full on metallic layer, which is nice for a lot of looks, but like I'm trying to do something soft now, so I want to keep it soft. And then I'm blending it together with a matte shade that's sort of between this color and this color, to make sure it merges nicely. And then it's time for some eyeliner. Okay, seriously, I don't even know how long ago it is that I did a winged eyeliner on myself. Or on anyone, really. Talking through it does not make it easier, I can tell you that. And now for the under eyelid, yes, I've already actually done my face base at this point. I'm just using a dark salmon shade and blending it below my lashes. From the outer corner inwards. And then I'm also putting a little bit of the brow bone highlight in the inner corner. And then a pale pencil on the waterline. And no, I still haven't bought a new one, because just like with socks, whenever I'm actually in a store, I somehow completely forget that I need them. It's a talent. And then some false lashes. As you can tell, this is quite a natural pair. Wow, the sun is coming out between the clouds and it's getting way brighter. Anyway, and then it's time for some mascara. I literally almost forgot the name of the product. I'm mostly focusing the mascara on the bottom lashes, by the way, to really make them fit with the top ones. And lastly some lipstick and we're completely done. And we're left with the final results. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please click the like button, it would really help me out. And yeah, this look is, by the way, also quite work appropriate. I gotta admit, I'm probably not gonna wear it to work because I have the night shift and I don't want to wear makeup for 24 hours before washing it off. I'm pretty sure that the foundation I'm wearing is a Dior Forever foundation. It's supposed to be able to handle it, but I'm pretty sure my skin wouldn't enjoy it very much anyway. But yeah, either way, that was it for today. So thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!